In this video, we're going to have a look at how to work out the circumference of a circle. The circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of a circle. And normally for shapes, that is called the perimeter. You just use the word circumference for circles, but it means the same thing. The perimeter of a shape, the circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance around the outside, just like the word perimeter. But circumference is the word we use just for circles. Now the formula for this is 3.14 times by the diameter. And the diameter is a line that goes all the way through a circle, edge to edge, going through the middle. So this line here is the diameter of this circle. So to find the diameter of this circle, where the diameter is labelled 12, I just do 3.14 times by 12. I do that on my calculator, 3.14 times by 12, I get 37.68. Well, I can leave that like that. So 37.68. If this 12 here is in centimetres, that will also be in centimetres. So 37.68 centimetres. If I was given a circle where instead of the diameter, I was given the distance from the middle of the circle to the edge, maybe that is 5 centimetres, well, that is the radius, the distance from the middle to the edge, and I need the diameter. Remember, the diameter is all the way across, so it's the radius doubled, because the diameter would be that distance and this distance over here as well, and this bit is the same as the bit at the top. So the first thing you need to do to get the diameter is to double the radius, that is times the radius by 2. So in this question, the radius is 5, the diameter would be 10 centimetres. So then I need to do 3.14 times by my diameter, 3.14 times by 10, that would give me 31.4. And if that length is in centimetres, this length here will also be in centimetres. So the diameter of 10 coming from the radius of 5, my circumference is 31.4. My circumference 31.4. If I had another question, it may be part of a circle. This is supposed to be half of a circle, and I'm told here that this distance is 4.8 centimetres. And I'm asked for the perimeter of this shape, that is the distance all the way around. I need to do this in two bits. First of all, I need to find this curve distance, which is half of a circumference of a circle, and then I need to add on this straight line distance down here. If I've got to find the circumference, the first thing I need to know is the diameter. And the diameter is going to be double this radius. The diameter is all the way across. So if I do two lots of 4.8, I'll get 9.6 centimetres. That will be the diameter of this semicircle. So the circumference, which is all the curved bit, if it was a whole circle, would be 3.14 times by my diameter. But because here I've only got half a circle, I need to divide that by 2. And that sum will give me this curved length around here. So before I go any further, I'll work that out on my calculator. 3.14 times by 9.6 divided by 2, I'm getting 15.072. Now, that is my curved bit. The perimeter of this shape also includes this straight line here, which is the length of the diameter, which we worked out as being 9.6. So to my 15.072, which is my curved bit, I now need to add on my 9.6. I've got my 15.072 on the calculator. If I add on 9.6, I'm now getting 24.672. And I can round that if I like, maybe to one decimal place. That would be 24.7. Remember, if you round to one decimal place, you look at what comes after that first one, and I rounded up because what came after was 5 or more. So, final answer I'll have here for the perimeter of this shape will be 24.7 centimetres.